None of us. We all have plates, actually. You broke it already?
No.
2 days later.
You guys look sick together. 2 red bikes? What the fuck?
Need to adjust that.
How sick is it?
It's fun.
Super sick.
Yeah.
They're retarded. They're retarded.
Yeah.
We're like, what the fuck? What was Honda?
It's just not. The only thing that I would change is this is not very torquey. But I haven't pushed it really. Huh? Not compared low end. Yeah, but I just gotta learn how this one works. Yeah. Well, I've only. Huh?
Having all the high ends.
Yeah.
It's so much more fun, right? Yeah, I don't know who hurt Honda, bro, but.
Oh yeah. They pissed somebody off.
Who hurt you, Honda, bro?
Well, what's up again? Couple hours later.
Yeah, I was like, dude, I'm gonna be late. Balled out coming down here. I was like, what the fuck?
Hey, you could have cruised slow. So I guess we're riding around here for a little bit and then gonna mob to LA. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. So. The one by.
Bro, you roll up Steve's has a Diet Coke and a cigarette.
What the fuck? What the fuck? It's Steve. He be.
Look over, he's seeing a cigarette. He's a whole new guy, dude. We were whipping wheelies together.
Yeah, well, that's the only reason I wanted to ride is to see your wheelies, the Busa wheelies. Yeah, the Busa wheelies.
We've heard all the stories.
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta I feel way more comfy on the freeway though, like high speed wheelies for some reason. Like low speed, it feels sketchy.
Oh, okay. You don't want to pop it up in this parking lot and just be dancing it?
Stop it, take that big bitch around. She's a big bitch, bro.
This is a lineup of bikes though.
I know, dude.
V4RR, Blade, Busa. This is clean.
Oh, me.
I gotta adjust mine. Mine's like crooked as hell. Yeah, fucking Steve! Why'd you break it? Here. You can get down with it.
Got it.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's happening? How you doing?
Stoked on the blade or what?
Yeah.
Signed it, it's done.
Yeah, so there's one last thing that they need, but yeah, pretty much.
Still gapping your ass though.
We'll see. What? Gap my ass? You still haven't gapped my ass once yet.
Every time in the corners.
Oh, we haven't hit the corners with me.
You know I'm gapping you.
No, I know you're gapping me. I'm staying out of the corners.
Yeah, you're up here from SD all the time, huh?
Well, when I have other stuff I need to do, I come up. But when I don't need to.
Oh, fuck, I'm supposed to go buy an Action 5 at 3 o'clock. Fuck.
Where? Alright guys, it is time for us to get out of here. Actually do the part of the day that you guys like, the actual riding. get to the fun part. We got two V4Rs, R1M, whatever that thing is that Steve's riding, which is actually the dude on the Boosa's bike. Everybody switched bikes. The dude on the Boosa actually owns that naked thingamajiggy, that dirt bike looking thing. Steve owns this V4R. He owns the. Bro, already broke it. Already broke it. You broke it already?
No.
Yeah. If you guys can't tell, we are back on the Honda. You know what that means? Yes, we did end up purchasing K's Honda CBR 1000 RR-R Fireman SP. Right. The RSP. So we ended up purchasing it. So this is our new bike. This is our first ride with it officially being ours. K's on his V4R. Steve is on something. We got another V4R here, R1, a Boosa behind me. We got, oh my god, that thing is blowing smoke like crazy. That thing sucks. Can't breathe, Steve. Where are we going? But yeah, no, so we are now on our new Fireblade, which is going to be a lot of fun. We got to get used to it. It does ride a lot different than any other bike we've had, but it is a very nice bike and a lot of fun. So yeah, let's have fun. It's probably going to be a more quiet vlog, more just actual riding with all of us. But chill. Hey! Bugger! Move forward! You're good. right there. Hey, hey! Hey! They're following us! Huh? None of us! We all have plates, actually! Guess who doesn't have a plate? No, we do! You said plate? Yeah? I'll spin it.
Damn, bro.
Oh, where are you? Which I don't think Steve runs a plate, so you'd have been fucked. Yeah, yeah. He's like, who doesn't have a plate? We're like, none of us. We all have plates. You sure? As long as you didn't look at yours. Yeah. Oh, your booster doesn't?
Oh, I'll make it. Oh, OC then.
Got a crazy lineup. Busa, our new Blade, R1. Let me make sure we're got our mic. Yep, our mic's all good. Two V4Rs. Yeah, this is crazy lineup of bikes.